Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. We have to start Venn diagram, universal set and complement of a set. This is a Venn diagram, and Venn diagram means set of all elements that under the concentration for this particular situation. For example, this is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called universal set, and universal set is noted by this rectangle. What a universal set is noted by this rectangle, and the symbol to denote universal set, this is called xi, just like this, denoted by a symbol, this one, that is xi equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this universal set contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. In universal set there exists another set that which is called a set, just like this, a equal to 1, 2, 3. This one is a set 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 does not lies it, that's why we write outside the circle. Got it? This is a set 1, 2, 3, and the element which cannot exist in a, this is called a prime. So the element of a prime are 4 and 5. Got it? Now you come on exercise. Exercise 14b, we have done question number 1 and question number 2. We have done only question number 1. Today we have to start question number 2. Question number 2 is if universal set xi equal to 30, 31st, 32nd and 45. Element 32, 45 exist in xi set. List the complement. We find the complement of the following set. We find the complement of these parts. First one, a is equal to 33, 37, 39, 42 and 44. B equal to this one, C equal to this one, D equal to, and E equal to. Okay. Exercise 14b. Question number 2. First of all, xi equal to 30, 31, 32, 33 and so on 45. First we find the a part. A part is a equal to 33, 37, 39, 42 and 44. We find the complement of a set. In first part we find a complement. A complement means xi minus a. Universal set is subtracted by the given set. Got it? Xi is a universal set. Xi is the bigger set, so that we write first, and minus a. Got it? Now the set of xi, the elements are 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and so on 45. Got it? Minus the element, this is a, so that the element of a are 33, 37, 39, 42 and 44. Okay, now we subtract this. Okay, bracket a prime equal to, this is 30, this is 30, that does not exist 30 in a set, so that we write here. Again 31, there does not exist in a set, so we write here. Again 32, there does not exist in a set, we write here. After this 33 is here and is here, that's why we can't return. 34, there is not, so that we write. 35, 36, again 37 exists is here, so that we can't write. 38, 39 is also existing here, so that we can't write. 40, 41, 42 also exists in this set. 43, 44 also exists in this set, and last element is 45. This is the list of a prime. Okay, we find the set of a prime such that the universal set xi and the given set a These are the element of these sets are given. We find A prime. Got it? A prime की universal set subtract given set. Okay. Now you come on B part. This one is B part, 30, 31st, 32 and 30. Similarly, xi minus b. Then we get B prime. Similarly, C, you also write non-prime element. Prime is the element that are divisible by itself, but this is not prime, non-prime elements. The element which are not prime, there we say that these are non-prime elements, non-prime numbers. Okay, D equal to multiples of 4. D equal to part D. D equal to multiples of 4. Okay, now we start from 30. These are the multiples of 4 that exist between 30 to 45. Got it? Because we follow universal set. The element of universal set lies between 30 and 45, and 30 and 45 are also include. So that we take the element of D set that lie 30 to 45. हम वो तमाम एलिमेंट्स डी के लिखेंगे जो 30 से 45 के दरमियान आते हैं. Got it? These are the multiples of 4, so that we write all the elements which are the multiples of 4 which exist from 30 to 45. Got it? Always remember we should follow the universal set. We should follow the biggest set. Got it? Now xi equal to D prime equal to, we find D prime xi minus d. Got it? Okay. Set of xi equal to 30, 31, 32, 33 and so on 45. The set of D is 32, 36, 40 and 44. Now we subtract this. There is 30 and it does not exist, so that we write 31. There does not exist. 31, 32 exists here. These are same. Again 32, we can't write 33, 34, 35, 36 exists in D set, so that we can't write 37, 38, 39. Similarly 40 exists in D set, we can't write 41, 42, 43 and 45. This is the set of D prime. D prime means xi minus d. Got it? Now you come on last part, and this is E bar, multiples of 3. Multiples of 3, E part. Multiples of 3. Okay, we write all the multiples of 3 that exist from 30 to 45. Okay, just like 33, also 30 include 33, 36, 39, 42 and 40, 42 and 45. These are the multiples of 3 that exist from 30 to 45. Now we find E prime. This is xi minus E. Xi set is given that 30, 31, 32, 33 to 45 minus E set is given 30, 33, 36, 39, 42 and 45. Now we subtract this. First element is 30 and 30 also exists in E set, so we can write here 31, 32, 33 exists in both sets, 34, 35, 36 exists in both sets, 37, 38, 39 exists, 40, 41, 42 exists in both sets, 43, 44 and 45 also exist in both sets. So that this is the answer of E prime. E prime means xi minus a. Got it? Now B part and C part is your H1. C part is non-prime number. Non-prime numbers mean the number which are not prime other than prime number. Got it? Prime number mean the number which are divisible by itself. The number which are not divisible by itself, this is called non-prime number. You write non-prime number from 30 to 45 and then subtract. Got it? If you have any query, then inbox me. Thank you.